Welcome back. You're still tuned into the newsroom right here on ET Now, and turning out to be a soft start for Indian markets for the brand new year. Nifty is now up just about 25 odd points as we speak, but yes, sitting comfortably above that 26,100 mark. Nifty Bank, that one is also up nearly 100 points, 0.2% higher for Nifty Bank as well. In terms of individual stocks that are bucking the trend, let's put the spotlight on Eternal or Zomato. That one is up 2%. That, of course, is the biggest gainer on the Nifty 50 index, followed by NTPC, Interglobe Aviation, Wipro, Infosys. All of these IT stocks are gaining in trade today. NTPC up nearly 2%. Wipro, Infosys, Tech Mahindra from the IT pack, all of them gaining in excess of 1.5%. In terms of individual sectors, let's also talk about cigarette stocks because they continue to remain under pressure today on the back of notification that came in from the government, which suggests that these companies will have to undertake price hikes to the tune of 15 to 20%. ITC down 8.5% in trade today. Godfrey Phillips and VST Industries are also under pressure on the back of that news piece. Vodafone Idea, after that big fall that we saw in the last hour of trade yesterday, trying to recover a tad bit in trade today. That's Vodafone Idea for you, up a solid 6% in trade. Indus Towers, on the back of that Vodafone Idea news, continues to remain in focus. Indus Towers should also come up for you on your screens. That stock is gaining nearly 3.5% in trade today. So yes, a whole host of buzzers from the broader markets. But Rabinder is now joining us to take us through all those stocks that are buzzing based on news flow and brokerage reports. Rabinder, tell us which stocks are on your radar this afternoon.
Well, yes, Blue Dart Express is in action where the stock is up more than 10 to 11% in the first half of the session now. But and the reason behind that is the tax authority has dropped the tax demand order of rupees 421 crore to 65 lakh, and they have revised tax and interest amount has been voluntarily accepted and paid to avoid the protected litigation. So back of this slash from the in the tax demand order from the tax authorities, Blue Dart is in focus, and the stock is now up more than 3%. On the back of order win, Shakti Pump is in focus. Remember that in last few days, company has won a major order from the Madhya Pradesh Urja Nigam Vikas Nigam Limited, and now today also company has won order of rupees more than 67 crore from the Madhya Pradesh Urja Vikas Nigam for the photovoltaic pumping system. So back of this, Shakti Pump is also in focus. And if we talk about some of the stock that is in action on the back of the Q3 FY26 business update. First is Karur Vysya Bank, where the bank's total business saw an uptick of more than 16% year-on-year basis at rupees 2.12 lakh crore as compared to 1.82 lakh crore, and advances also saw an uptick of more than 17% year-on-year basis. So back of the strong set of Q3 FY26 business update, Karur Vysya Bank is in focus. Steel Strip is also in action, where company's total sale saw an uptick of more than 22% year-on-year basis in Q3 FY26, and gross turnover saw an uptick of more than 16% year-on-year basis at rupees 516 crore as compared to 445 crore. Adani Power is also in focus on the back of the bullish brokerage note, where Jefferies has come out with a note and they have maintained their buy rating with target price rupees 195. And lastly, APL Apollo Tube is also in action on the back of the strong Q3 FY26 business update, where in Q3 FY26 company's sales volume company reported sales volume at 9.17 lakh ton, which was up by 11% year-on-year basis and 7% quarter-on-quarter basis. So back of this strong set of Q3 FY26 business update, APL Apollo Tube is also in focus.
Several stocks in focus based on news piece.